Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Clarendon and we are exiting the PJ Patterson Highway, and I'm going to show you guys a mall. It's called Millennium Mall, and it was built on the outskirts of Maypen in Clarendon. Now the reason why we're going to look at this mall is because it's what we consider an epic failure. It's one of the largest malls in Jamaica, largest, very nice facility. It's actually brand new. I don't think the mall has been open for 5 years yet, but it's a failure. And the reason why we say that is because nobody uses it. 3/4 of the stores are empty. So we're going to drive through and show you guys, and then we're going to discuss why. Well, we can tell you why right away. 3 things you need to do to have a successful mall in Jamaica. And it's been proven time and time again. 95% of the successful malls in Jamaica, or 90%, have this formula. You need a supermarket, a major chain supermarket, a large supermarket. AC, nice shelves, well laid out. You need fast food stores. You need restaurants. You need food stores. And you need to build a plaza in a populated area. Now, Maypen is one of the largest towns in Jamaica, but we are so far from Maypen. It's unbelievable. Market, there is an exit if you want to reach Maypen, but this mall was not built in a populated area. If you go into Maypen now, you're not even going to find places to park because of how busy the place is. But we are on the outskirts of Maypen. This is not Maypen. This is Clarendon. Okay, so this is Millennium Mall now. It has no supermarket. Seriously, look at this very nice mall. Look at it, huge, brand new parking space. Look at the door, look at the windows, tape up, empty. Mark you, we have Popeyes over there as a fast food chain. Well done, but that's not enough. It was not built in a populated area, and there is no supermarket over here, nothing. Look at the plaza, it is 12 o'clock in the day. And look at this parking lot. Look at the amount of empty stores. This is what you call an epic failure. I don't know. Sagicor built it. Sagicor built this plaza. Straight ahead on the right is a Sagicor bank. Look at it. It's empty. Sagicor has not even opened the bank in their own plaza because guess what? The place is empty. Nobody's here. The stores are empty. This is a $1 billion plaza. Billions. And look at it. Look at, oh my God. I don't know what they were thinking. I have no idea why they would build a plaza in this location. And you don't have a supermarket. Popeyes alone not going to bring in the crowd. And it was built for a supermarket because look at this. Look on the left. This was the loading bay. This is where you would deliver the goods. Unbelievable. I really don't know what they were thinking, but this will go down as an epic failure. Look, I mean, this costs billions of dollars to build. Mark you, maybe they couldn't get this size lot to build on in Maypen, in the actual town, but I mean the location they chose was, oh my God. This is another loading bay. I don't know if they were planning to have 2 supermarkets or what, but okay, we're going to turn around because they're doing something here and they've using a crane, so no problem, we just turn around. But this is a very nice mall, and it's such a shame to see it go to waste like this. And it's been built about 5 years now, and it was built before COVID, and it just never picked up. The stores are empty. I don't know who would dare, and you can bet the rent here is not cheap, because it's not cheap. Maintenance, light, rent. So I don't know who would actually move in here now. I mean, things are so bad that the people who built the mall not even put a bank there. So Yes, Sagicor is a very large company. It's one of the largest financial institutions in the Caribbean. So they can afford to keep this thing afloat. But it's not doing well at all. And to this day, there still is no supermarket. I mean, you would think you would say, all right, come move in, build a supermarket, we give you 5 years rent free, just so that the mall can get going. But nobody's interested. Look at all of these empty stores. This entire section of the mall is empty. Straight ahead is where the Sagicor Bank is supposed to be. So just giving you guys the rundown of this mall, and it's really sad, but they made a huge blunder. Now Nuts for the Express has a office here, and that's probably the only thing that brings in adequate traffic. But the buses come in, it's like a rest stop, or it's like a terminal basically for the bus service. And there you go. These are literally the only cars, and if you ask me, it's people who work in the stores, but this is it. And they didn't follow the formula. They built it at the wrong location, did not put in a supermarket. That was a huge mistake, huge. Or I shouldn't say they didn't put in a supermarket, but no supermarket is here. Maybe because of the location, nobody, or maybe it's the rent price, I don't know, but nobody chose to put in a supermarket. But so it really is not really a failure. So I'll keep you guys posted if anything changes with it, but right now that's it. Okay, so now to get from this mall to Maypen, it's okay, and that's the highway right there. So it's not to say, I don't know what they were thinking, to be honest. Now to get to Maypen from here, the actual town center, is about a 15-minute drive. You can do it both ways. This is the Maypen, this is the Bustamante highway actually. No, on the left, okay, let's go around. On the left here is the Maypen bypass, the bypass the town of Maypen. Now turn left here, you go into the town itself of Maypen. It's probably a 10-minute drive. To turn left here, it takes you onto Bustamante Highway, and that takes you back into Old Harbour and then Spanish Town, Kingston. And there you can see the sign Maypen Town Centre. And then to turn where we're going now, which is left, is going to take us onto the Maypen bypass. So basically it's just the bypass the town of Maypen. And here you can see the mall on the left. So it's one of those things, I guess. Okay, alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.